Indian Yoga Association, a self-regulatory body of yoga organizations, unifying the diverse traditions of yoga. Pujya Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji, Chairman of the Governing Council, Ma Dr. Ansaji Yogendra, President of IYA, and Shri Subodh Tiwari Ji, Secretary General of IYA, founded under the legendary Yogi Padma Vibhushan late Dr. BKS Iyengar Ji. IYA is a maiden attempt to unite all yoga paramparas in a common cause. Indian Yoga Association is committed to promotion and advancement of yoga and its applications around the world and industry-cum self-regulatory body to facilitate activities of member institutions. Indian Yoga Association's 10-day camp at Mahakumbh 2025, a spiritual odyssey.
When it was founded in 2006, at that time, he was referred to as the Bhishma Pitama of yoga, Dr. B.K.S. Iyengar, who received Padma Vibhushan. He says if you have so many gharanas in music, you can still have so many traditions in yoga, but still there can be unity in diversity. That is, I just wanted to reiterate. And today, you have 40 member institutions, more than 350 associate centers and life members. And the traditional schools of yoga.
This is the Pavan Tat of Ganga Ji. Then it starts from Gangotri and ends in Howrah. This is the center point and many other things. The largest river of North India, Yamuna Ji, is merging here, Saraswati Ji is merging here. And you will feel, if you have come here for the first time, you will feel, just go, walk towards Ganga Ji, just sit, meditate, and feel her inside you. That is the main purpose we should keep while being here. We do yoga, we do meditation, we do pranayama, we share thoughts, we share knowledge of each other. But main objective is to try to embrace her inside.
Indian Yoga Association's 10-day camp at Mahakumbh 2025, an extraordinary journey of spiritual unity, self-discovery, and yogic enlightenment. Held from 7th February to 16th in the sacred city of Prayagraj, this immersive experience brought together seekers, saints, and yogis from around the world at the confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers.
This modern world, it is like digital technology and it is for all. So with these concepts, we have to utilize the opportunity. For your kind information, out of 254 countries, 200 countries are embracing yoga. Out of 811 crore people, 230 crore people are embracing yoga. And especially in states, 12% they are doing yogic practices. And in India also it is 12% out of 145 crores. So it is the duty of us to have more awareness on yoga to the public.
Under the visionary leadership of the Indian Yoga Association, this camp seamlessly blended the ancient wisdom of yoga with the spiritual grandeur of Mahakumbh. Each day began with transformative yoga sessions led by renowned masters, covering asanas, pranayam, meditation, and the profound philosophy of yoga. From the role of yoga centers in modern times to Kriya yoga and traditional yoga practices, every session was a step toward holistic well-being.
What is happening in the festivities are all part of the yoga sadhana. More of that is happening here in our Bharatiya Yoga Sankatana, the Indian Yoga Association, which itself is again a Sangama, not just Triveni Sangama, but Asankhya Sangama of innumerable yoga traditions, paramparas that have come together
Engaging spiritual discourses by saints and scholars illuminated the path of dharma, karma, and moksha. Devotional bhajans, om chanting, and sacred kirtans uplifted every soul, creating an atmosphere of divine connection. The journey extended beyond the camp, with guided visits to sacred sites and the deeply spiritual Mahasnan, an experience of inner purification and transcendence.
मेंबर हूँ और अच्छी संस्था है बोल के पहला एक्सपोजर है कि हम इनके बैनर में कहीं पर कैंप में आए हैं। तो आने के बाद तो बहुत अच्छी कंपनी और इंतजाम और स्वागत और प्रेम। सबसे बड़ी बात जो है कि यहाँ से जो जस्ट रोड के अपोजिट ही घाट है, पैदल जाने में भी कोई कष्ट नहीं और वहाँ पे गंगा स्नान में भी बहुत सुविधाजनक है।
जो होगा वो होकर ही रहेगा। भगवान हमेशा सबका भला करता है और इसलिए हम चलते हैं। 144 साल बाद ये अवसर हमें कभी नहीं मिलेगा और यहाँ के लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत हेल्पफुल नेचर के हैं। ऐसा नहीं हमें कहीं भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं हुआ। योग शिक्षा हुई थी, वो भी बहुत बहुत इम्प्रेस किया उन्होंने और बहुत अच्छी बात बताई उन्होंने कि प्राणायाम का क्या मतलब होता है। तो उन्होंने पूरा उसका बताया, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें।
इधर आए, बहुत अच्छा है। आज बोट में जाके संगम में जाके बोट से निकले, उधर स्नान किए। कल सुबह भैया हमको लेकर इधर घाट को लेके, वो तो बहुत अच्छा है। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा है और इधर का अरेंजमेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है। मेरे को बहुत मन को शांति मिला इधर।
Accommodation bookings overview. Swiss Camp, 427 beds booked for 10 days. Maharaja Camp, 4 people booked dormitory accommodation. 156 beds booked for 10 days. Deluxe Camp, 4 to 5 sharing. 193 beds booked for 10 days. Deluxe dormitory accommodation, 40 beds booked for 10 days. Total participants 629 people. 1157 beds booked. IYA camps. The IYA Yog Kumbh 2025 successfully hosted hundreds of yoga practitioners, spiritual seekers, and wellness enthusiasts, providing them with a comfortable stay, transformative yoga sessions, and a deeply spiritual experience. This grand event at Prayagraj was a convergence of tradition, wisdom, and community, fostering an atmosphere of devotion, learning, and self-discovery. As Mahakumbh 2025 concludes, we carry forward the spirit of unity, devotion, and transformation. This camp was not just an event, it was a movement, a legacy, and a call to embrace yoga for a better world.